Welcome guys, I'm taking a video of this new modern elevator. As you can see, there's a little number counter. There's the fixtures. As you can see, we're on the 4th floor. And now we're gonna head to the 2nd floor. And that's not gonna conclude my video right now. Because here is the green indicator, and there's one for each floor. As you can see, there's the little indicator. And here's the call station. Now if I push this button, as you can see, it calls the elevator, and here inside is the door buttons. Now the only thing that lights up is these. None of the other buttons light up. And as you can see, there's the little, it looks kind of like a scoreboard. And here, we're heading back to floor 2. And there's that nice little red LED. It doesn't really look red on the camera, but it is red. And the elevator call station can go both ways. Let's look at that call station again. Sorry, my voice is a little scratchy, but I'm not really... Let's push down on the call station. As you can see, the down button is being a little bit temperamental. Let's push up on the call station. And you can, as you can see, let's let the elevator go up. And of course it calls the elevator again. Oh. Let's take a look at the inside of the door with the little green light up there again. And when you call the elevator, you can go to any floor that you would need to go to. Here's a look at those fixtures again, which I'll push. What? Going down again. Here's that nice little call station again. Of course, down does what it's supposed to now. Because now that the elevator, and you just heard that, that means that it called the elevator. And the elevator is now ascending, but you can't really see that because the call station is now activated. And